Yeah, just click on the register. Let's start with register. Registration page. Fill up the information. Then just put the information. Fill up the information in this page. In this okay database. Okay, okay, yeah. Continue. Okay. Maybe database is different because you are just showing the gender also. There is no option of gender. Maybe. Sorry. This is not correct. Yeah. Yeah. For that column, it is not actually it is not the same column and value combination or same column combination whatever you have write within the PHP file of SQL code, but you have different columns in your database, so it is giving error, so it is coming incorrect, means it is returning false. Okay, just display page. Oh, you can properly. One second.
दिया
नजर है.
ये क्या पूछ रहा है आइए वापस बहुत आगे बढ़ गया उसको बोलना पीछे जाओ नहीं बोलता
One second, Nazir. Actually, I got disconnected with call. Hello, Nazir. Yeah. Now you are getting my voice properly. Okay. Nazar, you just it is not correct register page. Just click browse image. Try to browse the image. Yep, an image. Correct. Okay, show me the coding. that register.php. Show me the coding. Yeah, on the our text editor, Sublime Text, task register.php. Okay, okay, user and go to database, Nazar. Go to database. No, no, SQL Server, MySQL. Yep. Go to the tab, localhost, PHP myadmin. Um, yeah, your database name is working and table name is assignment. Table, what is your table name? Assignment. Okay. Now, yeah, now go to code Sublime Text. What you have used, select star from user. Select star from user in update or in register also you have select the wrong. The working is fine, working is our database name, but you have to use your same table name also. Did you get the point, Nazar? You didn't get the point. Go to register page, register.php on the Sublime. Register.php, same in the editor only. No, not on the browser, on the editor. No, on the register.php. This is update.php. Go to register here. Yeah, on this page. This is the page from which we are getting our first page on the browser. Now, what you have done, whenever you clicked on the register, what are you doing? Insert into user. There is a line number 18, line number 19. 19. Just see line number 19. Yeah. Insert into user. Where is your table user? There is no table user. Is there any table user within your working database? Nazar? Yeah, you don't have that table. That's why it is coming. Yeah, assignment. And you should use the same column name also. Same column name means here you use, while you are inserting, what you have used, name, email, password, image and date. If you are inserting these five things, you should have these five columns within your table also, within your MySQL database. Same column name. Whatever you use here, you have to just create that column, or whatever with the column you have to use these column only within this code. Go to MySQL, yes, and what you have, only name, email, gender and the password. You didn't have gender. There is no gender in our coding. Where is your image name? There is no image name. There is no date column also. These are the mistakes. You got the point, Nazar? Nazar, but one more thing. Uh, you are just showing me the same code, exactly the same code. Whatever I just sent you, you are showing me the same code. You didn't code. That's why you didn't get the logic also. You have to code by yourself. Then only you will get the logic of PHP. Okay. Now, just I'm just coming to my back. Just taking control back. 1 second. Okay, you can see my screen, Nazar. Can you see the screen? Okay, it's coming. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Let's start from the beginning. What I just told you, I just want to create one 4 pages and related 4 pages. Related means from first page we just insert the data. First page we insert the data. From the second page we just show the data whatever we inserted till now, means all the data whatever we within our that table, we just want to show all the data. This is the purpose of our second page. And the third page we can update also our data. This is the purpose of our third page, updation. And the last one, deletion. If you want to delete or data, any particular row, any particular data, any particular information, so we use our fourth page. Okay, so there is only 4 page. A simple logic means we already discussed about the select command. Using select command, what we do, select the data, fetch the data, retrieve the data from the database, and we can also show that data. We already see almost four or five example of select command, or not, Nazar? And the select command used to retrieve the data, to fetch the data from the database, and we will just show that data using our PHP code. We just fetch the data using mysql underscore fetch function and display the data using while loop or for each loop, whatever we want at that time. Second thing, we want, if you want to insert, there is an insert command. Insert into table name column section and after the value section. Simple. We already see the insert command also in detail, how we insert the data, how we get the data, how we get the particular value of text box using dollar underscore post and just assign to any particular variable. We will pass that variable into value section. Set, insert into table name, columns name, and set, insert into table name and columns name, column and value combination in the insert section. Okay, after this we just see how we update the data using update command now, and the delete the data using delete command also. We already see all the 4 kind of commands in the simple way. In the simple way, we didn't see the complicated queries of the selection or of the deletion or for the updation. This is our register page. The register page, Nazar, you have to complete this task by yourself. Okay, you have to complete. Just create new page. Remove this. Create one new register.php. Nothing else. Okay, create only 3 things. Only three. First one is name. Second one is email. Third one is image. Don't create the password, date, and all the things. Just create 3 things. First thing is you have to know about the logic. We will expand our code, but if you didn't know about the logic, how we are doing this, then there is all the things is unnecessary. Okay, now just we want to create 3 things. How we get the three? HTML. Using HTML, just create one HTML and one form within the form within the form. Just create 3 input text boxes, nothing else. Okay, Nazar, just start from here. Start from the scratch. Means just use one blank. Create 3 input here like this. What I have used, table format. Okay, just forget about the table format. Don't use the table format. Use the simple format, nothing else. Simple, just write name and input type, text, and name of the text box, nothing else. Use these three things only: name, email, and one last thing, image. Okay, we need one button also, submit button, register. If I just use only this code, only this code, I will get the view or not on the browser? Yes, we will get the view. Let's remove this. I don't want this code. Okay, now let's see the register page. We will get the view. There is no changes because PHP code, we use the PHP code for inserting data, not showing here anything in the register.php. This is because of our HTML, our core HTML, nothing else. Okay, so just use one blank page first. Blank page, try to just code by yourself, means just code first, code HTML tag start and then after then the body tag start, and within the body tag just use one form tag. This is our form tag or not? We already discussed about the form tag also. If you use form tag, then only our form will be submitted, otherwise it will not going to submit. Simple. Within this form tag we use all the container. Container is a form tag. We can use every HTML input type tag within the form tag. This is the our simple form tag. Create three input types: one for name, one for email, one for image. We need image because you have to know about the logic of image uploading. Okay, Nazar? Just use this. Create. Let's assume we created. If you are you getting confused using this because of this table, then just remove the table. Use the simple without table trtd. Use the simple input tags. Main thing is logic. Okay, we will modify. We will just we will style our web page, but we have to know about the logic first. Okay, Nazar? Just what we have done, just created one simple form, nothing else. There is nothing. Now what is our requirement? Our requirement is to insert the data. Yes, simple thing. We already see the insertion many times. What we have to do? We have to just use one condition here. Whenever a form is submitted, check with is set function within the if is set the name of our button, then it will execute only whenever our form is submitted, whenever we clicked on the submit button. So what we use in the top of the page, we will use first thing is connection string. Means we will connect to database, select connect to, sorry, what we have done now, we just use one php, one more. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. I just removed. Okay. Now what we have done, a simple HTML code, and after this code we start the PHP code. What is our requirement? Our requirement is inserting data, means we will communicate with MySQL or not? Yes, we are going to communicate with MySQL. So we have to set first connection. We have to set first connection. Yeah, these two line of code will set the connection. We already discussed about these two line or not, Nazar? Yeah. Next thing. Now, whenever we click, this is our logic or not? This is a, whenever we click on the register, okay, then our form will be submitted. So data also should be inserted or not. Yeah, it should be inserted where? Into our database, into our this user table. This is my requirement. Okay. Now what we have done. Yes, yes, Nazar. How to? No, I didn't get you, Nazar. Pardon. Uh, how we add the data into MySQL? Are you saying that? Image. We are yeah. We already discussed about this also. Yeah, we already discussed what we are going to do. We are not going to save the image into database. We will only save the name of image, that particular image, only the name, nothing else. Means into our database. Where is our database? Here. Into only the name, only the name. So by using this name, we will get the image. How we get the image? Yeah, we know that our image within the uploads folder. Whenever we select, we can select image from anywhere in our system. From here we can select image from anywhere. We don't need to select the particular upload folder. We can select from anywhere. Okay, we selected. Yes, we selected. Now if I clicked on the register, image successfully uploaded, then this image will go to our upload folder. Yes, that means we know where is our image. So we just have to save image name only into database. So whenever we retrieve the data, we will get image name. So we will just show that particular image, nothing else. Okay, you get the logic, Nazar? Now, second thing, what you have to do, this condition. You know about this condition? If is set, dollar underscore post, reg. Do you know or not? Yeah. Whenever a form button is clicked, this condition will going to true, and all the code in between this if condition will going to execute. Whenever form is submitted, whenever we clicked on the register button, and whenever our form is submitted, the data, the information within the text boxes, within the input tags will be sent. Which information? Whatever we are going to insert or select, whatever we just insert into text boxes, it will just send to whenever we submit the form. It will send or not. That's why we receive that particular value using dollar underscore post. If we use the post method, we already discussed about this logic. Whatever with the image, it will just send the image also, all the information. How we catch the information? Using dollar underscore post. How we? Using dollar underscore post. In this first three line of code, what we have done? In the first three line of code, we just done uploading of image, nothing else. We already see same as dollar underscore post. In the case of image, this is the tag name of image tag. Here we discuss about type equals to file. If you want to just use the upload button into your website, means this kind of button, choose file button, you have to use input type equals to file. You remember, Nazar? Input type equals to file. Then only you will get a file type or a dialog box button. Whenever you click on that button, it will just open one dialog box. From that, you can select any image from anywhere. From anywhere. Okay? From anywhere in your system. Now you have to use this also. Just keep in your mind whenever you are going to upload the images, you have to use encrypt type, ENC type. ENC stands for encryption. Encrypt type equals to multipart oblique form data. Just keep in your mind, remember this. Okay, this is the simple phase. Till now, this is the simple using these three line of code. We already discussed these three line of code. Using these three line of code, we get the name of that particular our selected image. Yeah, we get the name. Using this, we get the temporary location of our image. Temporary location of our image. There is temporary location and move underscore upload and uploaded underscore file. Using this function, we just save our image into the folder. Which folder? Whatever you have given here. If you didn't give any folder name, then it will just save directly on our root folder. I will just show you. 1 second. Yeah. F1, go to WAMP and the WW and the task. Task is our folder. Okay. Yes. Task is our folder. Within this task, we have one uploads folder. So whatever be the image is going uploaded successfully, it will be saved into this folder. If you then give a folder name, then it will be saved root folder. Root folder means this task folder is root folder. Means what we have run localhost task. So task is our root folder. Okay, and whatever be the folder you have created, then it is that was the subfolder of our website. Okay, so this is our simple registration. We are getting the information within the text box using dollar underscore post and assigning to one variable or not. Dollar underscore post, we already see about the dollar underscore post, how we get the value of from the text boxes. Okay, we get the value of name, email, password, image. Image name, where from where we get the image name? From here. Okay, dollar underscore file, img, the tag name, and the name is a property, one kind of property of this function dollar underscore file. It will just return selected image name, nothing else. Simple select, it will return simple selected image name. So we are assigning that name into one another variable, nothing else. You can use directly this variable. Okay, now the date function we already discussed, it will just return the current date, nothing else. This is the simple query, insert query. What we have to do, insertion to our database. So we have to use insert command of SQL within the PHP. Within the PHP, you can use using MySQL underscore query. MySQL underscore query or not? Yes. From the MySQL underscore query. Insert into table name. This is the table name. Just keep in your mind. This is the table name. Okay. And within the brackets, the column names. Whatever be the, if you use only few column, then it will just send, you have to send the only few information. Means if you use only name and email, you have to send just name and email value. These are the values. How? Yeah, these are the values. Dollar name, we just assign the text box value into dollar name or not. Yes, and we are passing that value into value section, the variable and the value column and value combination. And whatever we return, if it is written true, means our record is inserted, otherwise it will return false. So we just use one if condition. If when the if condition will going to execute, whenever our record inserted successfully. So what I have done, use one header function. header location display.php means we are just redirected us whenever we inserted successfully. After then we will redirect it to display.php, nothing else. So this is our insertion. You get the point, Nazar? See, you have to create like this. Means just divide your work. Means don't just afraid about this coding. One second, why it is not doing it? Maybe I have just changed the code, saved. Yeah, you didn't refresh this. Okay. If I click, then it will just insert it blank also. Why? Because we didn't use the validations. You can also delete. I didn't remove the alert box. Okay. You can delete also. Now this is your display.php or not? Yes. Whenever you insert it successfully, I just redirect it to display.php. And what we have done within the display.php, we just we just displayed the particular information, nothing else. We just displayed. This is one image tag. Using image tag, we can display the image on the web page. We discuss about the image tag or not, img tag, Nazar? Yeah, using that tag img within the img there is src. Within the src, if you give the path of image, it should be within our folder, within our website. Means we can give the path only within the task folder. Task folder means this is our website or not? Yes, task is one kind of our website. So we can use only within this. If we can use the subfolder also of that particular folder only. Okay, so we use that, nothing else. Just go to display.php. So what you have to do within the in the display.php, you have to just display the information or not? Yes. So how we get the information from database, Nazar? How we get the information from the database? Yeah, MySQL select command. The select command, we discuss about the select command. It just fetch or retrieve the data from the database. Select command, did you remember select command, Nazar? Yeah, just just take one. Firstly, create the logic. Create the logic in the display.php. What we have to do within the display? Yeah, we want to display all the records. Whatever we within our table, just display all the records. Okay, this is our requirement. Just create one logic for displaying all record. What we have to do? Select star from all or not? Select star from table name. Select star means select all. So we use a simple query. Select star from table name. We will get all the data, nothing else. We will get all the data. Okay, and we sorry. What if we, so it will display blank, nothing else. If we don't have any record into that particular table, then you will get blank. Means let's delete it, both the records. We can delete also. We created the delete command also. Yeah, then it will just display blank, but it didn't display the error, any error, because there is no error in our logic. There is no data. That's why we are getting the blank. Blank means, yeah, this is the HTML code. This is not dynamic. So we will get, if there is one record, that only there is one record, then it will display one record. Let me show you first in the database. Now our table has no records, okay, zero record. Return empty result means we don't have data within this table, okay, zero rows. Okay, Nazar. Now so we are getting zero rows in the display.php. We are getting nothing. Now we can add also. If you add, then our record will be inserted to database or not. If you add from here, our record will be inserted to database. Okay, a record inserted into this table, and after inserting we are redirecting to which page? Display.php. After inserting or not, we already discussed. Where is our register page? After inserting means after this line, using this line, our record will be inserted in register.php, and we are checking if our record inserted means our $res get the true, then just redirect it to display.php. Means whatever you registered, whatever you inserted, it will just save to database. Then we will redirect it to display.php. Within the display.php, what we are doing, we are displaying all the record from the table, from that user particular table. So we will get that particular record also. You get the logic, Nazar? Now within the display.php, what we have done, simple code. There is nothing complicated in display.php. Simple select command, mysql underscore query used to just fire or select or any mysql query. This is the one predefined function of PHP, and we just fire. And after this, we use while loop. You can directly write here also. If you are getting confused, you can remove from here and just write above the while loop. Means we just fire the query, get the data into res, and using mysql underscore fetch underscore array within the while loop. We already discussed why we use within the while loop. It will just return one row at a time and just hold the information of the second row. If we fetch first row information, then it will return next time second row information. When the row has been just completed, means after the last row it will return. Whenever it returns it error, means false. After the last row it will return false, this res. So what we get within the data? False. Within the while condition, false means our loop will be terminated. Simple or not, Nazar? Yes. Now what we have done within the while loop, our while loop starts here and ends here. Okay, means this row of the tr, this tr will be printed every time for every record. For every, why I'm saying every record is this will return record by record or not, row by row. In one row there is one record, one information. So this while loop will execute for every row. So this tr will execute for every row. Simple, because this is within while loop. How we use within the while loop? Just use curly brackets on, php tag close. Why? Because these are the coding of html. After this coding, we start the php code and close the curly brackets of while loop. Okay, means this code is within while loop or not, Nazar? This code will be within the while loop or not, Nazar? Did you get the point? Hello, Nazar, are you there? Hello, Nazar. Hello, Nazar. Can you hear me? Nazar, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Nazar, I'm not able to hear you in the conference call.
Yes, call it. It's
Try to reconnect, Nazar.
okay.
Hello, hello, Nazar, can you hear me?
और दिया मैंने कॉल
Hmm?
कॉल काट दिया टू 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 करने लग गया तो कॉल कट गया था तुम्हारा
वही मैं कुछ लगा
उससे लगाऊंगा डायरेक्ट ही
डायरेक्ट लगा तो इससे क्या आवाज किनको भी नहीं आती।
डायरेक्ट लगाऊंगा तो तुम्हें दूर से उठाऊंगा।
Hello.
Yeah, Nazar, maybe there is some conjunction in network. Let's continue with this. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So where we are on this while loop. This while loop will execute this within the all the code within the this is within the while loop or not, this code, Nazar?
Yes.
Yes. So this code will execute for every iteration of while loop. Yes, this is the HTML code, HTML and PHP mixed code. But we use a smart work. Means here is the PHP code tag start and end. Means now we want to use HTML code, so we end the tag of PHP. If you didn't end the tag of PHP, then you will get the error. Let me show you. Where is our display page? You will get the error, parse error, syntax error, unexpected. Okay, why are you getting this error? Because PHP couldn't understand this. PHP is not able to understand less than tr greater than. You have to close the PHP tag whenever you want to use HTML coding, and within the HTML code also you can use PHP tag or not. Within the first TD, what we are doing, we are echoing ID. Which ID? Which ID? This ID. This ID, we are echoing the ID, nothing else. We will get the 22
Okay.
here. One second, I didn't save it. Maybe. Yep. Let's refresh this. Yeah. The ID 22, we are getting 22 or not? Yes. If you add one more
Yes.
record, then you will get one more record into the display page. Select any image, any password. You should be input type password. Okay. Next ID, next record. Okay. Is there any problem till this? ID, username, and
Ye-
image option? I will describe you again. We already discussed about
Yes,
this.
yes, I have a question.
Okay. The
I
option.
try to, I try to, Govind,
Yes, yes. Ask me.
I try to, on my task, I try
Okay.
to put my uh, name, email, password, and image, and it keeps saying incorrect.
You try to implement the option, but you didn't implement it properly. Are you saying that? Yeah,
No,
there
no, no, no.
not image. You are trying to show the image.
No, no, no. When I go to uh, task forward slash display dash php, everything is blank.
Task
I do not see.
display.php. Everything is blank.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
no username, image.
Okay. Can you show me? Just
Yes,
for 2 minutes.
see.
Display.php. You are getting nothing. Means there is no error. Just show me code. Just show me code. Sublime text editor. Yeah, you connected. Select stuff from assignment. Username, image option, ID. But do you have the column, same column here? Line number 20. Line number 20. Go to line number 20. What we have done within the line number 20, $php echo $data within the bracket ID, and line number 21 within the brackets name. So these are the column name of our database. Go to database, assignment table. Assignment table. You have the nazar, and there is no data in assignment table. Is there any data? Yes. Yes,
Yes,
one record. There is one record, nazar, email, image. Okay. Now go back to code. Go back to code. Sublime text. Yep. Click on this. Um, 1 second. MySQL query, res, data, while data, work assignment, everything is okay. Everything is okay. Just try to echo. After this line number 18, there is line number 18, 18, 18. Yeah. Just between the curly brackets and PHP tag off. Between the curly brackets and PHP tag off. Just go to between. No, 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 no. Close it, close it, close it. Line number 18. Again, line number 18. Go after the curly brackets and before the, yeah, just space. No, no, not PHP tag start. Just print underscore R, right? Print underscore R, and within the this function, just use dollar data and press enter. Then within the function, this is the function. So we will use within the brackets, print underscore R brackets dollar data.
Like this?
Semicolon, and just remove the space after print underscore R and brackets. Yeah, this is space. Yes. Now just save it and run it. Nothing is working, na? Display task display.php. This is the same page or not? It's the same page, na?
Yes.
Means we
Yes.
are not getting any data. We are not getting any data into the PHP. Why we are not getting any data? One second. Fetch array $res assignment. You use tile symbol or not within the assignment? Yes, tile
Yes.
symbol. Select stuff from assignment. Iceland query. Yeah, you should get the data using this. Um, why you are not getting the data? Fetch array. One second. Let me just. I'm taking control back, Nazar. We don't have
Okay.
time. Whenever you have done this, means we have just get the data, just try to print underscore R here, and within the expression use dollar data. If I'm getting the data, then it will display outside the table, but it just show that yeah, we have the data, nothing else, just for debugging. Yes, data is coming or not? Yes, it is coming.
Yes.
But in your
Still
case,
coding.
the same code is also there. Okay, now just try to like query like this. Means you use one variable dollar query. Okay, within this variable, just pass your query. Remove from here. Just remember that remove from there also, and this is our query, and pass this variable dollar query QUR. Okay. Now try to just echo this. Echo our dollar QUER dollar QUER. What I'm doing, I'm just echoing that string, nothing else. Okay. Now
Let me check.
what we get a SQL query or not? Yeah, we get the SQL query. Just copy this and try to debug. Just try to debug where? Go to SQL and this. Yes, we are getting data. Means our query is correct. Okay?
Can
Is
you go
it?
back to something?
1 second. Yes. I just e-code, nothing else. I'm just doing debugging. I'm just debugging my code. That I'm just checking, yeah, my query is correct or not. Yes, it is correct. I'm getting data or not. Just try to check your query also. Okay? Do you have time right now, Nazar?
Yes,
You have time?
echo,
Just try to
echo,
echo
query.
the query. Yeah, semicolon after echo means after, yeah, semicolon. Semicolon. And MySQL underscore query, you have to pass it, just the line. There's something missing. No. Line number five. Line number five. Go to line number five. Just copy this line. Total line. Just cut this line from here. 1 second. 1 second. You have to end the control Z. Control Z. Okay. Just control Z. Just save it and run it. Is there any Oh, 1 second. 1 second. Nazar. You didn't use semicolon after the select command. There is one single quote. Single quotes. Line number 18.
Okay,
Before the semicolon, you have to use a single quote on line number 18. Yeah. Single quotes, double quotes. Okay, yes. Just save it and run it again. Run it. Try to run it. Just coming that echo. Oh, with don't use single quotes. You are using variable. You have to use directly variable. Don't use single quotes. Yep. Not double quote, not single quote. No single quotes, no double quotes. Simple variable, just name of variable. Yep. Save it and run it. Yeah. Now copy this. Only select star from assignment and try to run on your SQL. Go to SQL, paste here, and click on go. Yeah, to the one row you are getting means your query is also correct. Query is also correct. Okay. Email name, email, password, image. Okay. Now go to code. Go to code. Yes. Click on your sublime text, sublime text,
okay.
ID, name. Why it is not coming? Data. Just remove this tr line number 27 to line number 33. Just remove. Yes. And remove this script also. This script in the bottom we don't need right now. Now save it and run. Try to run it. Your database name. What is your database name? Working. W is capital. What is your table name? What is your table name?
Assignment.
Is A is small or cap in caps? Just show me your table name.
Capital.
Yeah, assignment. Assignment. Spelling is also correct. Okay. Working is also correct. Yeah. Now try to run it.
Yeah.
You are getting nothing. Why were you getting nothing? Localhost. Select DB. Master underscore query. Just send, Nazar, let's do one thing. Send me this. I will just send you back after correcting, after creating the data same name. Okay. Send me this
Okay.
file. I will send you with this name and the same column of the table. Okay. You are getting
Okay.
late right now.
Yeah.
That's why. And just try to. I'm just taking control back.
Yeah, I'm not sure why because I followed all your directions.
Yeah. You just debug all the things. I will try to debug again.
And another question going.
Yes. Ask me.
I've been looking into my resume,
Okay.
and there's a lot of things that I don't know of.
Yeah. Yes. There's so many things.
So there's so many things. So am I supposed to Google everything?
Just try to understand the things. Means not right now.
Okay.
When you get the all the logic of when you just mediator means when you one level ahead from beginner in core PHP, then you have to find all the things and ask me what is this and how I will get how I will learn uh, CI code igniter. There is one code igniter Zend. What is the Zend? How I will learn the Zend? Then only then you have to ask me and I will guide you. Okay. But our
Okay.
first preference, just make our base. If we don't have the basics, then we are not going to learn. We are not able to learn the major part or the advanced part. Okay, Nazar?
Okay.
Now just try to implement all the total task. You have one more day. Try to implement the task. Insert. I will send you why it is not coming. And one try to do one more thing. Just one more thing. Just try to echo something. Just your name, anything, and use die or exit. I already told you about the die function. Die function just stop the
Yeah.
working. Means it will just show you your controls going to while loop or not. Just it prints going means we are on the while loop. After the while loop it is exited means our script stops means we are going to while loop. Just try to debug like this. After debugging remove this also, then you will get the logic where is the error. Okay. I will send you also.
Okay.
I will send you also. There is no log.
Okay. So you want me to do that before I send you or after?
If you want to know that your control going to while loop or not, then you have to use echo die after while loop means within the while loop within this loop. Okay.
Okay.
So if that was echoing means your control is going to while loop, so there is some problem in displaying data, nothing else.
Okay.
in my thought, maybe you are not going within the while loop. There is some problem in while loop. No, no problem also in while loop. Okay, okay, just send me. I will just check that out and send you back. Okay, with the same name of
Okay.
table and column. Okay, Nazar,
Okay.
let's stop
Okay.
today's session.